Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a guest,
Anika.
and you might have already know her from my other dances. So let's go.
Okay.
So we got some
two
snacks.
snacks. Like
We have more than this.
yeah, but then it's
We
that's
chose
important.
that these two are red.
This is from Doraemon.
Dorayaki.
If you have seen
This chocolate
these
filling one,
things.
but this is strawberry. Okay. Open it here. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
It
Should I
looks-
make it half?
It's okay. Guys.
Sure. I want to touch it.
Okay.
Sure.
We made it half.
It's like brown.
3, 2, 1.
It's okay. Not that good.
There should be more filling, but good.
If you like pancakes, you have to try this.
It's already gone. I'll make it as a video. But we cannot do this because we already did it. Leave.
I like it. That. I want to open it. So guys, now we have this apple juice. We are gonna drink it.
3, 2,
I didn't drink.
3, 2, 1.
It's so good.
But because we ate something sweet, I think it's
Up for the next one. So guys, this is the chips we are going to eat. The Doritos.
very spicy.
Let's open.
We both like spicy.
Of course, who doesn't?
I mean, my friend doesn't. Oh, this is my
It's
second.
like that hot chips. The
Yeah,
hot
like I don't forget the name.
It's pretty spicy.
It's my second time trying this.
I feel it's spicy, but it's very tasty.
God, that's spicy.
It is.
It's spicy.
But it's very good.
Yeah.
I don't feel that spicy.
I can drink this whole bottle now. I should have gotten 2 of them.
Huh?
I should have gotten 2 of them. For me, 2 of them.
For me, it's very.
a bet.
I will drink of them. Start.
On to the next. Okay, next one.
You have to get 2 of these.
Huh?
You have to get 2
Yeah,
of
it's very tasty and it's like I'm gonna open it once.
So guys, this is this.
So
I
it's,
want to show. I want pink too.
I also think
Slay bestie.
3, 2, 1.
Still a bit spicy.
It's good.
I didn't try that much.
I don't have any jam right now. She has a little. Scam!
Yeah.
Scam, bro.
It's good. A 4 out of 10.
I don't care. With the jam, it's very tasty.
You got it?
Mm. I want to take one more. No, once again.
Okay.
It's very cute, no? It's like miniature. Hopefully I get for this one. Yes, I do have.
Same.
It's not coming.
வெங்காயம் சாம்பார் வெங்காயம் தக்காளி வெங்காயம்
I give all marshmallow.
The jam is very tasty.
இன்னும் முறிக்கிறீங்க
Sure.
Look how much jam!
Look how much jam.
Bro!
Look how much jam. I'm not joking. On to the next one. No, it's actually done.
So we might
Now
watch
you want to play the big? No, right?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, now we are gonna watch something. So
I'm gonna watch a horror movie with her.
Yeah.
Hmm? Yeah? Why?
Not scared, but I don't want to.
I'm there, not too horror. Little horror.
Like,
I
I
have
want to
not-
see it. The person visiting the haunted house.
In YouTube.
Hmm.
I said Netflix.
Okay, we'll watch something.
Okay, see you guys
Rubbish.
next time. Bye. Subscribe and like. Bye.
No.